Hello everyone and welcome back to Be10x. I'm Antrikshan. Today, this is a video about AI tools and one freaking place where you can find a lot of AI tools, hundreds and hundreds of AI tools, all for your use. And you just need to go on that website and boom, your work is done.
चैट जीपीटी सीखना है आ जाओ सिखा दूंगा। प्रेजेंटेशन 2 मिनट में बनाना है आ जाओ सिखा दूंगा। एआई टूल सीखना है आ जाओ बॉस वो भी सिखा दूंगा। 2 आवर्स की वर्कशॉप में इरिप्लेसेबल बना दूंगा।
So we're going to quickly jump into that. I'm just going to share our screen and we are set. There is song generators, lyrics generators, PPT makers, PDF checkers, everything that you would ever want, it is present there. Hopefully the screen is visible to you guys. And as I can see that you guys can see the screen. So yeah, as a very plain, simple pretext, a very plain, simple UI UX for this crazy website, which is known as boardhumans.com. You can find everything right here. So here's an image generator. Now, again, this is not one of the best, but the best thing about this website is that you get everything here. So if you have a cumulative task to do, this is the place to be. So if you like sort of write out, cat wearing glasses at a beach, right? And you just hit enter. It's gonna ask, right, would you like us to use image enhancement? Right. Of course, yeah. So they'll basically change our prompt a bit and of course try to keep the same thing, but add things to our prompt so that the image comes out clearer. So now this is where you can just check out the image. Now, of course, it's going to take some time to load. And while it does, I'm going to take your attention to pretty much something else, which is this thing, right? Which is the AI tools workshop. Yep, you know what? AI has caused a lot of disruption in the market. There's a lot of jobs going to different people because of AI. And trust me, AI is not going to replace you, but a person using AI will. Well, you don't want to lose your job, do you? So of course, secure your future with us. Once you enroll, once you sign up for our workshop, only a 2-hour, 3-hour workshop at just 9 rupees. Can you imagine that? 9 rupee mein you are getting a chance to upskill yourself to the highest level, and you'll be taught AI tools, chat GPT, and its practical use cases in your professional life, in your personal life, and how you can 10x your productivity out of it. What more does a person want? At just 9 rupees, all you need to do is you need to click the link down below, and 9 rupee mein you could change your future. Yep, that is very true. So now jumping back into the video, there you go. I mean, it's not really wearing glasses, but you get the point. It's quite a very, very, very beautiful photo. So now, I mean, if I just sort of show you another one, number 2 would we see celebrity chat, right? So who's the famous celebrity you'd like to talk with? Okay, we need to answer here, right? I'd say, who should I say? Maybe I'd say, okay, Elon Musk, the most mainstream character, right? I'd just say Elon Musk. Right, let's see what, yes, this is Elon Musk. How can I assist you today? Can I go to Jupiter with my cat? Right, let's see what it replies. Unfortunately, traveling to Jupiter with a cat is currently not the immense distance, extreme temperatures, and harsh conditions. Right. Additionally, we have not yet developed the necessary technology for such a trip. However, I encourage you to engage in space exploration, so support scientific advancements to further understand. Okay. Bitcoin updates. I'm just asking it the most basic things, updates. So you can basically tell that, all right, it's telling you to engage in space explorations. It's Musk that we're talking about. Bitcoin, intriguing subject. As the CEO of Tesla and SpaceX, my focus primarily lies in the realms of electric vehicles. Right. While I do find the concept, you are lying, my friend. You are lying, my friend. You are lying, my friend. You are not Musk. Let's see what it says to this. Of course, I'm Elon Musk. How may I assist you? Right. Let's exit this one now. Let's go on to something like maybe okay, this is very interesting. AI tools directory, over 5,000 AI tools. Right. So there, can you imagine this? It is a website with more than hundreds and hundreds of AI tools, it has an AI tool or a link in it, which is over 5,000 AI tools. I mean, wow. Look at this stock market. Discover candlestick. Look at this marm of AI, writer design, plagiarism free content, ultimate social media and topic mojo, trusted by over 19,000 users. It's a galore. It's AI tools galore, basically, right? Let's exit this one. Let's go on to this, right? Chat GPT prompt database, right? And we can check this out. Right, reviews, write an attractive product review, product. Okay, these are basically the prompts, which is so cool. Financial, wow. I want you to act as a motivational speaker. This is for a motivational speaker. If you want to, if you're giving a speech somewhere, you want the topic or the vibe to be a bit motivational, and you want to act like that. You know what? You can just go into this prompt. You can copy this motivational speaker prompt, and then you can put it out. So I want you to act as a motivational speaker. Put together words that inspire action and make people feel empowered to do something beyond their abilities. You can talk about any topics, but the aim is to make sure why they resonate with you and your audience, giving them an incentive to work on their goals and strive for better possibilities. My request is I need a speech about how everyone should never give up. Right. You know what? I'm just going to copy it. As I've just copied it. It's going to take me a bit of time. You know what I'm going to do? I am just going to go here. Right. Of course, you guys can see that, but I'm going to show you soon. Don't worry. So yeah, I'm just going to stop the screen right here, and I'm going to actually go to Chat GPT for you guys, and we're going to see that now. Chat GPT, and let's see if it actually gives us something, or is it just lying? Right? We have copied it. Let's see what it does. Right? Let's just see what it does. Unyielding pursuits, the path to our greater selves. Right. Good day to each and every one of you. I stand before you not as a speaker, but as a fellow. All right. while you know what? Let's just wait for it. Right. So we're done with it. As you can see, the whole sort of speech is ready for us. It's basically talking about how you should never give up, the essence of human spirit, how it's evolved over the years, and how failure shouldn't actually let us, because there were failures in smaller strands during earlier times. Right. So as you step out of the word, armed with spirit, as with every step, it's just not moving forward, we're becoming more resilient, more capable indeed, and more strong. So I mean, it's basically working on a very, very, very beautiful level. So I'm just gonna stop it now. And you know what? We can obviously check out some more tools, and I'm just gonna show you in the end actually what it really means to actually have a website like this, wherein you can just absolutely, resonate. So there you go. I mean, summarize a topic, podcast, NPC generator, explain model with Lime, everything. So now if we exit the prompts thing, prompts is just one part of it. Don't think it's just a prompt website or an AI tools wala website. It's an AI tools wala website that has many AI tools in it. So if you know what I mean. Band names, baby names, wow. Murder mystery solver, murder mystery, famous code generator, transcription, photo blender, wow. Text summarizer, poetry generator, it's a lot. Tarot card reader, wow. Simulator, age progression, hairstyle changer. I mean, the life coach. There you go. You just will have a blast, and you really would get your work done once you're on this website. Let me just tell you guys. So yeah, with that, we come to an end of this intriguing website wala episode. Thank you so much to everyone who tuned in till here. If you like the video, it really helps us out. Also, check the link down below in description. It's a link to the 3-hour workshop only for 9 rupees. Yup, and it's being taught by 2 IIT Kharagpur alumni, which is the best thing ever. You're going to be taught AI tools, AI websites, everything you need to know about AI, Chat GPT, and how to master it in just 9 rupees. Can you imagine that? So yeah, till the next time, take care of yourselves, and I'll speak to you guys in a bit. Cheers.